Thank you so much to Moose Toys for sending us the little live Wraptiles, your fierce best friend. A slap tail, their eyes light up, they roar and attack. You could press and hold and they'll record what you say and repeat it. And if you press quickly, they'll growl and grrr. There's over 25 sounds. This is Vipora. This is a blue snake, part of the Wraptiles family. It's actually a slap band wrist. It has like a lizard-like rubbery feel. So it's nice and tactile on the wrist as well. Similar to that of like Wraptiles, but the Wraptiles are soft and this is like more rubbery, a little bit more comfortable. This is the try me mode, so let's put it in on. So you could tell by their mood, by the color of their eyes. Slap it on your wrist and talk to it. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Tubey Toys. And then it starts speaking like parcel tongue. I really like the fangs and how the eyes light up and the feel of it. It feels rubbery over here and plastic. And you could put it to sleep too by sweeping it back and forth. Getting sleepy. What do you want for Christmas? Are you gonna ask for Wraptiles because there are more to collect? Vipora is a viper snake, and it'll also record and play back whatever you say by whenever you press this button. My name is Vipora. And as you play with Vipora, it's going to constantly repeat what you've actually said. So it has like a memory. So anything that you tell it, it will repeat on you. So watch what you say. This is a really cool gift for the holiday season. Kids can wrap it around their wrist and carry their little Wraptile friend, fierce friend, with them wherever they go. He doesn't like to be upside down. It agitates him. But if you swing him back and forth, he'll go to sleep. I think this is a great toy. It feels good. It's not too tight around the wrist. It's actually a rubbery feel. And it's not scary. It's just funny looking. There are 2 more to collect. You can get a crocodile and a lizard. He says over 25 phrases and sounds, so you're never going to hear something twice. And you're going to watch his eyes change color with his mood. Make sure you collect all 3 to complete the collection. Thank you so much to Moose for sending us the new Wraptiles, your new fierce best friend, for our review. Find them in stores like Amazon, Target, Walmart. Perfect for the holiday season and a lot of fun.